It looks like a simple oven, but don't be fooled. This machine is a powerful tool that plays a big role in laboratory safety, precision, and efficiency. Today, let's discover how a convection oven really works.
Hi everyone, I'm John.
Hi everyone, my name is Josh. Ngayon papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ito, kung anong convection oven, kung paano siya ma-maintain, at paano kung ginagamit.
In laboratory settings, convection ovens are often used for drying samples, controlled heating, sterilization, and other scientific procedures. So understanding how to use it properly is very important. Safety is always first when using this tool. So we must remember these reminders as a precaution. First, never place flammable, explosive, or combustible materials inside the oven. It is not designed to handle those kinds of materials. Second, make sure there is proper ventilation. If materials release fumes, the exhaust should be open so vapors can escape safely. Third, avoid putting sealed containers inside. Pressure can build up and cause accidents. Also remember to also check the electrical safety. Make sure the voltage matches. Never remove the grounding prong. Avoid damaged plugs or cords. And since the oven gets very hot, always wear protective gloves to prevent burns. If there is an emergency, make sure to turn off the power button, unplug the unit or shut off the breaker, and inform your instructor or evacuate if needed.
Now let's talk about how to use it. First, turn on the power switch. Then next, set the temperature and time using the control depending on your scene. There's also something called the high limit controller. This is a safety backup. It should usually be set about 10 degrees higher than your main temperature to prevent overheating.
Now, I will show you guys how to operate both ovens. Firstly, this is the temperature panel. Click the yellow button that has an arrow, then the number will start blinking. Use the gray buttons to adjust the temperature to your need, whether up or down. To change the other numbers, just click the yellow button again to change it. Once the number is blinking, that's the sign that you can change the temperature. Once everything is good, click the set button to set the temperature. Now, if you want to have air circulate in your oven, turn this lever on. And this is where the air will go out. Now, for the second oven, click the button on the top to adjust. Once it starts blinking, you can choose for it to go up or down by clicking the button that is top of each other. If you want to adjust the other numbers, click the button beside the button for up and down. Once everything is good, click the button on the top again to set it. Now for the high limit controller. This is the backup that you need to set 10 degrees higher than your main temperature. You can either turn it right or left depending on what your main temperature is.
When placing materials inside, make sure that you don't overcrowd, allow air circulation, make sure that items are heat safe. While it's operating, monitor the temperature and watch for anything unusual like smoke or strange smells. After using the oven, remember to turn it off and let it cool first before removing the items.
To keep the convection oven always working properly, maintenance is important, which is always why clean the interior regularly once it cools down. Remove any spills immediately to avoid buildup. Check door seals, vents, airflow occasionally to make sure everything is functioning well. Good care keeps the equipment last longer and operate safely. So today, we learned that a convection oven isn't just an ordinary oven. It's a precision tool that requires proper handling, safety awareness, and regular maintenance. When used correctly, it helps achieve accurate results while keeping everyone safe in the laboratory.
Remember, safety first, proper operation always, and maintenance matters. Thank you for watching and stay safe.